Krishna mercy should be there. But we see that Krishna mercy is everywhere. But we are not going in proper channel. So these are two fingers. Krishna mercy, one, and our sadhan bhajan, second. The instance is of cat and monkey. Cat's children's only they weep. Their mothers will come and take their children's in mouth, and they will go here and there. Only they will do meow, 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 nothing else. And monkeys, mother has nothing to do. If the mother wants to go from here to there, they will look after their child, and the child will coming running, and they will catch hold of their mother tightly, and she will jump from one tree to another tree, one house to another, going here, there. She will not care. If he falls down, then they will never take that boy with them. They will give up forever. So there are two methods, two fingers. By practicing bhakti yoga, all sadhan, heart to heart, Krishna will not come. And Krishna mercy is there, but you are not doing anything. You cannot have the darshan. So both things we do. Our so much endeavor and Krishna mercy both. If the two are there, then we can see Krishna. So Krishna mercy and also our both. If Krishna mercy is there always, but we are not doing proper sadhana and bhajan, that is why we are not achieving success. We should try to weep for Krishna mercy, Guru mercy, Uttam Adhikari mercy, and try hard for that. So if we are following two things properly, sincerely, then Krishna mercy will come, and we can be control Krishna like Jashoda Maiya. You can go. In brief, you can. You should do, keep it here. I will do archan upon.
Reach for the table on the floor. On this one.
Where is Samar, Bhajan, Arati and all other things?
You want bathing water?
तुम लोग नहीं कर सकता है ठीक. अर्चन का पात्र सब यहाँ रखना. You should all see. Come on. Here, come.
Leave a little space there so I can walk through there.
You should keep in it.
Yes, it's downstairs through there.
Yes.
I just kept the water warm.
Huh?
I was keeping some more water for bathing.
Yes. To make bath.
Yes.
क्षमर भजन और सब जो कुछ पूजा अर्चन का होता है ये सब सीखो. You should begin from Namo Vishnu Padaya. Up first give Jai and then Namo Vishnu.
Jam Vishnu
White God was coming here and taking Mananga.
Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila Gopavin Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Ki Jam Vishnu Pada Paramahansa Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhaktivedanta Maharaj. Jai Mahamsa Prabhupada Jaya Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada Jai Vishnu Pada Paramahansa Jaya Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhaktivedanta Maharaj Ki Jai Nikilila Vishnu Pada Paramahamsa Prabhupada Jaya Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai Nikilila Vishnu Pada Paramahamsa Prabhupada Jaya Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila Gorkishora Sabdi Maharaj Jai Nikilila Vishnu Pada Paramahamsa Prabhupada Jaya Astotra Sata Shri Srimad, His Divine Grace, Srila Satyananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur Ananta Guru Vaishnava Nam Srila Haridas Thakur Prem se कहो Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda.
All the things of Archan. Archan का सभी चीज होने
Shri Shri
चाहिए.
Radha Krishna Gopavna Shyam Kund Radha Kund Giri
और जिस समय
Govardhan.
खोजेंगे नहीं है तो
Shri
तुम्हारा काम
Vrindavan
पकड़ेंगे.
Dham, Shri Nandimaya Dham, Shri Jagannath Dham, Yamuna Devi Ki, Yamuna Devi Ki, Bhakti Thakur. Shri Mate
Vande
now you are doing, we are doing Vyas Puja like. I am not doing, but my Gurudev is doing in his appearance day. This is the duty of all the acharyas. They can do first archana of their Gurudev and puja. And then they should do archana of all acharyas from lower to upper, up to Brahma. But here we are 3 generations. One generation with Gaur Govind Maharaj, no, and perhaps he is here, and he and myself both are doing archan to our Gurudev and Gurudev's Gurudev and all. No, so I have done archan of all. Now one by one in seniority from up we will offer to our Gurudev first, and then his Gurudev, and then God brothers we can do. If the disciples of Gaur Govind Maharaj, they will worship and give Pushpanjali first to in Gaur Govind Maharaj's lotus feet, and then to others. And the disciples of Swamiji, they should offer first Pushpanjali to Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami, Swamiji, and then Prabhupada, and then our Gurudev, and lastly to Gaur Govind Maharaj. If there is any one disciple of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, he will give it first to Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, meaning his own Gurudev. This is a rule and regulation, and all will accept all these things. Otherwise, any of one will not accept our this Pushpanjali. So you are going to do like this. So I first did my Gurudev Archan, and then Pushpanjali to his Gurudev, and then to Swamiji, he is my Shiksha Guru, and then at last the disappearance day of Gaur Govind Maharaj is also coming on 3rd day. So I will perhaps go at that day. So I am doing all these things today. You should also do today, and at that very day you can all assemble in one place and do like this, what I am doing. Try to follow. Sometimes we see, you can sit for a moment. We see that nowadays Vyas Puja means my puja. No? I will tell that, tomorrow my Vyas Puja will be done. And all disciples should come, God brothers, and do archan and give Pushpanjali in my lotus feet. Some also money, some dakshina, some flowers, very good. And there should be a book, in my remembrance. There should be. If it is not done, then it is not Vyas Puja. But really this is not Vyas Puja. We have not learned from our disciplic lines these things. At first we saw where Vyas Puja in the Shiva's Angan. Who was priest? Who was doing? Priest was Srinivasa Acharya, but the devotee was Nityananda Prabhu himself. He has to do Vyas Puja, and he took flowers and he was just standing and watching here, there. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was at that time not, he was out. He was to come just now, but Srivas Pandit is telling that you should begin Vyas Puja. But he is telling, means I am doing. But he never did. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, they complained against Nityananda Prabhu. That Nityananda Prabhu is doing but not doing anything. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu done, then Srivas told, why you are not beginning? Oh yes, I am beginning. And he took flowers and garland and gave it in the neck of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Really he is Vyas. He is Gurudev. Of all Jagat Guru. Bande Krishnam Jagat Guru. So he is Krishna. So he is Jagat Guru. So he should be worshipped first of all. But here, our Gurudev, this is the appearance day of my Gurudev. So he is worshipping, he used to worship all Gurus beginning from his Guru. And all Acharyas of Ramanuj, Madhva, Vishnu Swami, Nimbaditya and all. He used to do Acharya Panchak like Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. All these things. And then Panchaka, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advait Gadadhar, Srivasa Adi, Sri Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Separate archan. And then Radha Krishna, Gaur, Gadadhar and Nityananda Prabhu separate. Then Radha Krishna, Lalita Vishakha, all. And also Vyas in the middle, Sumanta, Paila, Vashampan and Sumant. These 5. This is called Vyas Pancha. Vyas is Guru and his 4 disciples of Sam, Rig, Jadu, Atharva Ved. He made them the teacher of all Vedas. Sukadeva Goswami, Bhagavatam. And Sumanta, Paila, Vashampan and one Paila or what. So he used to archan do. This is all makes a Vyas Puja. Any of them we neglect, then we are neglecting all. Our Gurudev also don't take. So don't think that our Guruji is only one and we will not honor anyone. Then he will also give up you. So we should try to honor from top to bottom all Gurus, Radha Krishna pair, Gaur Gadadhar also, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu also, Govind Gopinath Madan Mohan are the same. So we should try to do Vyas. Vyas means a point in the middle of the circle. And from there, do like this and take any line from center to that point, all will be equal. That is called perhaps a radius or a part. Huh? Radius. All touching
From the center.
the circle line. All here. So Krishna is the center. And if we will make our Gurudev center, from there we will have to worship all. And it will be a Vyas of Krishna to manifest Krishna in disciples' heart. Only he will be qualified to do like this. Otherwise, taking all receptions and all dakshina only and taking himself, he will go to hell and his all disciples will go to hell. So Vyas Puja means the Vyas Puja of Gurudev is doing his Vyas Puja, and his Gurudev Puja. Not that we are authorized to take all these things. Once Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati told that, oh, you are worshipping me on this date, but I am not qualified for this. I am your disciple. You are remembering me Krishna pastimes. So I am taking all your honors and dakshina and all these things and keeping it in my lotus feet of my Gurudev. He is qualified to take and to offer in the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna or Gaur Nityananda Prabhu. So this is Vyas Puja. To give the message of Krishna, to manifest Krishna, this is Vyas Puja. So we should try to do it like this, not taking only to me, only me. This is not Vyas Puja. So you are doing today puja from Jinati Sunati you have done. You should give Pushpanjali to your Guru there and then to all Acharya. And then sit, then another come turn by turn and do like this. And you should go on any kirtan. Go on kirtan.
Kirtan bisa dilanjutkan. Jadi saya sampaikan yang tidak bisa mengerti bahasa Inggris. Jadi biasa puja, sekarang Pushpanjali dilakukan. Jadi pertama kepada guru diksa sendiri.
We should also do one kirtan. To all. Where is your mala? Just bring one mala and I will give. My heartily blessing.
nahi paaye.